and certain things we would like to show you initially, and then we'll start off the practical. Remember, once again, the steps in the practical are very important. Okay, and I'm going to show you the pictures. Good morning, kids. And here today we are going to discuss about the practicals, specifically 2 of them in essay 1 portion is there, the half-yearly portion. The first one we are discussing today to prepare the temporary mount. That means the temporary slide. Why we are calling it temporary? Because we are not going to keep it for long. We cannot do that. And this temporary mount is the first experiment. And in that temporary mount, we are going to prepare 2 of the slides here. To begin with, the first one we are going to prepare is the slide of onion peel. Now, I would like to also request Radhesham sir to please show you how to take out the onion peel. That is the first step in this experiment.
So, good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
So, first of all, we take the plain slide. You can see this glass step. It is plain slide. इसका कुछ भी नहीं है, एकदम plain है. You can see. You can see or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is plain slide. So first of all, we clean it. ऐसे पेपर लेंगे, उसको क्लीन करेंगे. ठीक है? ये ऐसे क्लीन किया उसको. देखेंगे कोई उस पर स्पॉट तो नहीं है, तो we can see it is clean. And second, this part is cover slip. ये भी दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? You can see easily.
Yes, sir.
Cover slip. Small thin glass sheet is cover slip. First is plain glass slide. This is cover slip. Okay, we can use it. Second, we take onion. Onion, you can see here. All of you see onion?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
this is the complete onion. We take a leaf. Leaf उसको कट किया कटर से, ऐसे उसको एक लीफ बना ली कट करके. तो ये एक लीफ है उसकी. ये दिखाई दे रही है लीफ आपको अलग अलग उस पे, ये ऐसे दिखाई दे रहे हैं ना आपको?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
टेक वन.
Yes, sir.
एक हमने ले ली उसमें से, और इसका इनर सरफेस 2 पार्ट हो गए ना, एक तो इधर हो गए, एक लोअर कर्व टाइप पे इधर हो गए, ये इधर. वी टेक पील इन लोअर सरफेस. तो ये देखेंगे, वेट. You can separate a thin membrane. This is leaf peel. ये दिखाई दे रही है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is leaf peel. इसको सेपरेट करेंगे. This is leaf peel. तो इसको हम क्या करेंगे? इसको सबसे पहले सैफरनिन में स्टेन करेंगे. दिस इज रेड लिक्विड, इज सैफरनिन. इसको डाइल्यूट कर लिया है और इसमें 1 मिनट के लिए इसको डाल देंगे. ठीक है, इसको स्टेन करेंगे 1 मिनट तक. वेट 1 मिनट.
So the steps, of course, we know that what has happened, that just like this, can I have that saffronin bottle, please? So the saffronin stain is actually present in this bottle. What we have taken is, we have taken the concentrated drops, a few of them, and we have diluted, adding the water so that the color is not too dark. If the color is too dark, you won't be able to see the structures in that particular mount. And that what we have taken is that the leaf that you have taken, that leaf should be the smallest piece. Usually we go for big piece, but here we are supposed to go for the smallest possible piece. So first of all, the steps are onion peel you have taken up. Onion peel, after removing it, you can keep it in water. And after keeping it water, of course, you can take the small pieces. Then you are going to keep it in the stain for some time.
So this is this. What is this? बताओ इसका नाम बताओ, ये इस सेपरेटर्स का।
Watch glass.
नो,
Watch. Chinese disk.
This is actually petri dish, and in the petri dish we have taken up water, and after putting it into the stain,
दिस इज वाच ग्लास। ओके, दिस इज पेट्री डिश। पेट्री डिश में हमने वाटर लिया है, और जो 1 मिनट तक हमने स्टेन किया था पील को, उसको हमने इस वाटर में डाल देंगे टू रिमूव एक्स्ट्रा स्टेन। ठीक है, अब उसके बाद में स्टेन निकल गया है, उसके बाद में ये यू कैन सी लाइक दिस। इसका एक स्मॉल पीस कट करेंगे हम, बहुत छोटा सा। पानी में ही काटना उसको।
we can cut it, of course, keeping it aside. Keeping it aside, we can cut. And by the time, let me explain you. I am sharing this particular process. Let's see. The process, of course, is to prepare the temporary mount of onion peel. All of us can see that. So these are the steps. Take the medium size onion, use forceps to remove the peel, and with the help of the needle separate the small portion, dilute solution of saffron in, then in a watch glass or in a petri dish you can keep it for 3 to 5 minutes, then transfer it to the watch glass with water in it, then take it on the clean dry slide and place 2 drops of either water or glycerin, and then of course with the help of the needle or the brush we can straighten and flatten it, and we can cut it in the small piece, and then we are going to cover it with the cover slip. And this is the structure we are going to see. I am going to show you how exactly this slide is going to look like in under the microscope, of course. So I am removing this presentation, and now sir is going to continue. So here, yes sir, please.
So see, we take the plain slide and put a 1 or 2 drop water or glycerin. Okay, you can see water, one drop.
Yes, sir.
इस पे उसके बाद में जो हमने स्लाइड थी आपको, सॉरी, जो पील थी उसको हमने ये फोर्सेप से ये एक स्मॉल पीस उसको रखा है। देखेंगे वो फोल्ड नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना। उसको सेपरेट करते वक्त हम देखेंगे वो फोल्ड नहीं होने चाहिए। ये देखो, अभी इसमें ये मैं जब देख रहा हूं उसको तो ये फोल्ड है पूरा, जैसे ही वाटर पर रखेंगे वो फोल्ड हो जाती है। तो इसको पहले एकदम सीधा कर लेंगे फोर्सेप से।
By the time sir is doing that, let's understand that how we are going to keep it. Of course, we know about the compound microscope, and after the slide is prepared, we are going to keep it on the stage. This portion is actually known as stage, and we are going to keep it on that, hold it with the help of the clip. Now here we have two adjustments. With this chaos adjustment, we are going to adjust first and try to see the contents of the slide, and then with this fine adjustment, we are going to even adjust further. The steps are very, very important. As I had just explained you and I had shown you, I shared one screen with you. The steps are very, very simple. The first, we are taking the peel, we are keeping it in the water, then the stain, saffronin, diluted saffronin stain, and removing the saffronin excess stain by keeping it in water again or washing it in water again, and then keeping the small piece of it on the slide with a drop of water or glycerin, covering it with the cover slip. Making sure that once you are putting the cover slip, there are no air bubbles in it. We can try so. Initially, when you begin making the slides, there may be some air bubbles, but slow and steady, you will learn how to make the slide. Now, sir.
ये small piece रखेंगे इस पर एक,
and the cover slip now he is going to keep. I'm holding this, and sir is going to keep the cover slip on it. We may have the dissection box, sir. We may have the dissection box, sir. The dissection box we may show to the kids. This is actually the dissection box that's available in market. We can take this also. But if not, then certain things, for example, forceps and then scalpel to cut and all. And there is this box which comes in it. Slides are there, and of course, there is this small box in which cover slips are there. So now sir is going to put cover to this, the cover slip.
इसको ये ऐसा रखेंगे, इसको पहले इसको जो वाटर की सरफेस है उसको थोड़ा स्क्रैच करेंगे जिससे वाटर इधर उधर फैल जाए उससे, और धीरे से इससे हम रख देंगे, ऐसे कवर करेंगे और थोड़ी देर वेट करेंगे जैसे वाटर जो एक्स्ट्रा जो वाटर है वो अपने सरफेस बाहर की साइड में आ जाएगा जैसे ही, उसके बाद में हम उसको देख लेंगे ऐसे उसमें दिखाए बताना।
हाँ, yeah, I am showing you how it looks like under the microscope. Let's see, there are pictures of
ऐसे रखेंगे उसको, दिखाई दे रही है इधर ये, और ऊपर से देखेंगे यहाँ से तो कैसे दिखेगी वो भी दिखा रहे हैं आपको, शेयर कर रहे हैं।
Can all of you see the image that I have just shared?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me.
No, ma'am.
No problem.
Wait.
Wait. Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
So-
look like a brick type structure. brick देखिए दीवार जो होती है, वॉल जो अपनी।
So this is actually the brick-like structure, and in this we can see the structure that the prominent nucleus is visible to us, and there is this big size vacuole. If you try to observe carefully, the big size vacuole also is clearly visible. But specifically, even if you go only for the coarse adjustment and not for the fine adjustment, you will see this brick-like structure, and in between you will see these dots that indicates the nucleus. Yes, sir.
So this is the complete slide. Okay.
So we have seen that structure clearly. This is how the slide looks like, right? Light pinkish in color, and of course the structure is very prominent, nucleus and the vacuole. Could you see the vacuole in that particular presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, nucleus is very, very prominent, and please try to observe very carefully. There is this.
एक डार्क रेड पॉइंट, यदि हम स्टेन हमने सैफरन से किया, डार्क पॉइंट दिखाई देगा न्यूक्लियस का, जो रेड पॉइंट दिखाई देगा उसमें जो स्लाइड में।
So this is about how to make the onion peel slide. Now the second we are going to go for how to make cheek cells. That is the second experiment. Experiment number 2 it is to prepare a temporary mount of cheek cells. Remember the slight difference between the stains we have taken up here. The stain that we took up in case of the plant cell was safranin, and the one that we are taking in case of animal cell is methylene blue.
लिखो, नोट करो।
And again this methylene blue is as
Look
sir has
like
shown.
a blue color. Methylene blue means blue. You can see blue color stain.
Yes, sir.
That's very clear.
Okay.
Okay.
So it is very
And
simple.
in this kids, again, this was present in the bottle in the concentrated form. We have taken a few drops and we have added water to that. That got diluted, because if you take it in the concentrated form, remember, taking more of the stain, taking it in the concentrated form is not going to give you a clear picture of the slide. The piece, the amount that you are taking up is not going to give you the exact picture. So if you want that, the thing is that the particular substance for which you are making the slide should be the thinnest of the thin and smallest of the small possible. Then your slide will be very clear. Stain should not be more and it should not be too light. So now we are going to make the slide for cheek cell, and the process is a bit different. Here, you are supposed to take the slide initially, put 1 drop of this methylene stain on the slide, a drop of the stain on the slide,
दिखाई
and
दे रहे हैं? पहले एक ड्रॉप रखेंगे हम स्लाइड के ऊपर, ये दिखाई दे रही है आपको मिथाइल ब्लू की एक
Yes,
ड्रॉप।
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ठीक है?
sir.
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद में हम चीक का इनर सरफेस अंदर इसको थोड़ा रब करेंगे, चीक इसको अपने क्या है ये
toothpick.
Toothpick.
ठीक है, हाँ अपने इनर सरफेस को स्क्रैच करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं कि उसको ज्यादा स्क्रैच करना है, बस हल्का सा ऐसे डालेंगे और यहाँ ट्रांसफर कर देंगे, उसको घुमा देंगे ऐसे, तो हमारे जो भी अंदर के सेल हैं उस मिथाइल ब्लू में ट्रांसफर हो जाएंगे। उसके बाद में हम कवर स्लिप लेंगे और ये वाटर को स्क्रैच करेंगे जो अपना स्टेन है और ऊपर धीरे से रख देंगे। Then we see in microscope, so you can see look like, उसको शेयर करें।
Yes. Wait. So that's our slide is ready. Sir has made the slide. Thanks for that. And the slide will be almost like this, wherein you have the content. See, once sir is rubbing. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for that. And it will be seen under the microscope the same way as we have planted for onion peel. The bottom line is that once you are making this slide, the slide difference, you are taking the stain in the initial stage itself. A drop of the stain on the slide, and then the toothpick is rubbed a little bit on the inner side of the cheek. We cannot see the cells there, but once we take that toothpick out of our mouth, keep it on the slide, and we just move that toothpick in the stain, imagining that the cells are getting washed into that stain, and it is actually happening so. You cannot see the cells, as you can see the onion peel, you cannot see the cells here. And afterwards, you put the cover slip directly. Once you put the cover slip and then you start observing it under the microscope, this is how you are going to see that under the microscope. Let me share this one with you. This is how the cells appear. Can we see this? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, this is how the cells appear. See there, the structure of the cells was like that of brick, and that was fixed in a particular pattern. We can compare both of them. For example, if you are talking about onion peel, the cells were arranged end to end, just like brick, with prominent nucleus. But in the case of cheek cell, if you are talking about cheek cells, they are like polygonal, you can say, or irregularly shaped cells. Of course, with a nucleus in middle. And you can see that these cells are very finely stained. The stain is neither too much nor too less. That's the beauty of these temporary slides. Is it clear to all of us? The diagram and
Yes,
this
ma'am.
presentation, and of course,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, and now we are going to have a look at the procedure also for this. The steps of the procedure for cheek cell, the written matter, they are going to ask us in steps to prepare the stain mount, dilute solution of methylene blue, clean slide, toothpick scrap, transfer it to the middle of the glass slide, then place the cover slip, and with the help of the blotting paper, remove extra stain and then place it under the microscope to observe it. This is how we actually make the slides, and we understand the procedure also. Remember, kids, the type of questions that are asked from this particular one. They may ask us the diagram. They may keep it as A, B, C, and we are supposed to label it. They may ask the name of the stain. They may ask us the arrangement of the cells. But as per my experience for years together, they have been asking the procedure. They just jumble up the sentences. Instead of sequence, for example, taking the peel and then staining it and then putting on the cover slip, they are just reversing it upside down, mixing, and then they are asking you which option is right. Unless you know the steps, you won't be able to attempt. Every practical is going to give you, for example, you're talking about physics, chemistry, bio. Physics 2-mark question, chemistry 2-mark question, bio 2-mark question out of practicals. So here, even if we are expecting some MCQs or maybe some subjective type questions, definitely these questions will be there. So that's all we have to understand about making the slide for plant cell, that is the onion peel, and cheek cell, that's the animal cell. Try to read the procedure and keep it in your files and upload the assignments in time, making a proper PDF. That's all from my side today for these 2 practicals. In the next session tomorrow, I will be dealing with the slides, the permanent slides of plant tissue as well as the animal tissue. There I'll be sharing with you how these slides they look like and the questions based on that. Today and tomorrow's session is actually, you are going to keep it ready for an examination point of view, and the questions, please try to read them. During revision time, I am going to take the MCQs and various questions from these practicals. Happy learning, kids. Stay safe.